First, go to the Google Chrome and click for ChatGPT, and you can give any idea you want. Just I entered give me 5 facts related to food. Boom, here it is. Now copy the title of the facts. Just now I copied. Then go to the canva.com. Here you can see the interface. Click on the mobile video. Search for templates for the design. Whatever the template you choose. Just now I choose this one. It's okay. Then drag the text to the center. If you want your channel link, you can give. Then I deleted it. Just I drag the text into the center. It looks fine. If you want master in the editing skills, you can add whatever the styling you want. Just simply I color the text. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's also okay. I'll give some color to it. It's good. Great. Okay, then added the audio. Canva has updated itself there. It has the own free text to audio converter. Anything is in this video is for free only.
5 interesting facts related to food.
Okay, fine. Then we can duplicate this template. Okay. Then we will go to the ChatGPT for the fact 1. I copied the fact 1. Then I entered the text into the template. Copy and paste. Fine. Then I drag the text into the center. Then I adjust the text. We can add the audio. AI was generated. Then I adjust the text and the audio to the video. It's okay. If you want, you can add the transition between the two videos to experience the creator feel. Then go to the elements tab and search for related the content chocolate. You can put the video in the vertical and drag the video into the main template and adjust the video according to it. It's okay, fine. Then I increase the speed for the shorter video. Then I decrease the size of the video. Adjust the text and the audio. Okay, fine. Then I duplicate the process for the fact 2. Go to the ChatGPT and add the transition between the 2 pages. Okay, it's fine. Then adjust the text and copy the next fact, honey never spoils. Then I paste the text. Okay. Then I created the audio, free audio, AI generated. Okay, then I adjusted the video, text and audio. Then go to the elements tab and search for honey. You can put the filter in the vertical mode, then you can see the vertical videos. Then I dragged the second video and deleted the background and adjust the video. Okay, it's fine. And shorten the video by increasing speed. Okay, adjusted.
5 interesting facts related to food. 1. Chocolate was once currency. 2. Honey never spoils.
Then I download the video for free. Boom, video downloaded. Direct you can go to the YouTube and upload the video.
5 interesting facts related to food. 1. Chocolate was once currency. 2. Honey never spoils.
Repeat the process for the remaining facts and download it and directly go to the YouTube and upload the video. If you want the full videos, not the shorts, you can go to my channel and click for the full length videos. You can find the video and see and repeat the process for the next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.